In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DocHub for signatures. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account on DocHub.com, and then you want to click on New Document, and you basically want to add in your document. So you can just click, and it's going to open up your File Explorer. You want to click on your document and click Open. As you can see over here, I already do have a document in here, so I'm going to just click on the sample file on here. And then if you actually want to use it for signatures, click on Sign at the very top right over here, and then you can click on Create Your Signature. And then you have four different options. You can either scan this QR code on your phone, and you can basically use your phone as a signature pad. You can also put in your phone number over here, and then you can get a link to where you can basically create your signature and then use it on here. You can draw it yourself. So for example, let's say I wanted to draw it in here like that, something like this. You can go ahead and save that as default. You can also upload your image if you have an image of your signature, or you can just type it out using one of these fonts over here. So for example, let's say we're going to select this one, which we're going to do for this video. I'm going to click on that, and then you can save as default. Now, once that's done, as you can see, it says signature saved, and then you can go ahead and click on sign up here again, and then you can go ahead and click on signatures over here, click on that, and you can just drag and drop it on here onto the document, wherever you want to put it. There we go. You can resize it and put it however you want, and you've successfully signed your document that way. Of course, you can use any of the four methods, whichever you prefer, but of course, I just used one to show you how it's done. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.